Hello ICT traders, good to have you back here again. This is a live trade example using multiple time frame analysis, and this was a trade we took today, the 12th of March 2024, together with some of the students. This was when I posted the signal during Frankfurt Open. I saw this sell setup on Euro USD, and then some of them were asking the reason why I am taking that trade. I went ahead and explained it. That is exactly what I want to explain to you in this particular video. The trade actually went positive, but one amazing thing was the fact that I did not stay in this particular trade to the end, but some of them have stayed in this trade to the end. So let me show you the analysis I did step by step, showing you why this kind of trade always works, so that next time you can also work with it. So I started checking this because I said multiple time frame analysis. I started checking it from the 1 hour time frame. All right, very interestingly, look at the 1 hour time frame on Euro USD. Now overall, we know that Euro USD is actually bullish because the last time we had a break of structure was here. You see, boom, to the upside, reaching this area, retracing, hitting this fair value gap. But this particular fair value gap was not very important because it is still in a premium. All right, if you pick your fib level from here to this area, all right, okay, right here it is half in discount, half in premium, but this fair value gap is not as important as this second guy. So we have every reason to see price coming lower. So looking at this from this perspective, I was watching price went up to this area, this level, crashing, and now shifting structure here to the downside. This was a shifting market structure. I am expecting price to come down to this particular fair value gap, which is more important, and there is a bullish order block here. This guy. So looking at this, I can actually short Euro USD confidently because I know price was going to go down to that area and I will be part of this sell when it happens. And trust me guys, price did not disappoint me. So for today at 7 a.m. Frankfurt Open, that is London time, I saw price actually doing this. All right, I saw price trading. This was the Asian box. Okay, let me just take out this guy and then this guy. Okay, let me just leave that guy. So the shifting market structure on 1 hour time frame happened right here to the downside, leaving this liquidity void. Price was retracing all through yesterday to cover up this void, trading into this fair value gap. Can you see this fair value gap? I don't need to delineate it for you, but then there was a very important fair value gap there. So you can see where price started the movement. So trading into this fair value gap, there is also a bearish order block here. So when I went to the 15-minute time frame today, I saw this setup. Do you know how important the Asian box is? On every single trading day, if I should put the event section, if I come to events, the session breaks right here, you're going to see that every day that starts, every session is important. All right, this session started creating the Asian high and the low. So the ideal thing to do was to patiently wait for Asia to be swept, the liquidity either above or below. So I was watching this. I saw that price actually swept liquidity above Asia during Frankfurt Open. And when I correlate that with the 1 hour time frame, I saw that price actually traded into this bearish order block, which is more rational for me to take the sell. And I was confident with that. When I saw that happened, I decided to go to the 3-minute time frame. That is my attempt to take the trade. The 3-minute time frame now, let me take out everything so you will see what I did. On the 3-minute time frame, I saw price doing this. You know, sweep of liquidity was here. This was trading into the 1 hour bearish order block. And then this was the shifting structure that I saw here. I saw price shifting structure right here. It was a kind of a very tricky entry. I now check my Forex Factory calendar to see if I have any serious news coming out today. Obviously, there were so many other news coming out today. All right. I said, okay, there wasn't any serious news on GBP and I have CPI, but it's going to be during New York session. So I can confidently take this trade for the short time and just target the low of Asia. The high of Asia was where I was entering and target the low of Asia. That was what I did. On the 3-minute time frame, I saw this shifting structure, which was very visible. All right. market structure shift. I have price push, 1 2 3 4 candles, creating this low, pushing and then crashing. I said, okay, if that was what will happen, I decided to be here. Guys, I took the trade from here, this particular fair value gap. I took the trade a bit aggressive from there, but then I was very careful with the trade. I entered here. I looked at my 15-minute time frame. I knew that price can do anything. You have to always look at these things. I was watching this bearish order block on the 15-minute time frame, which is also correlating with the bearish order block on the 1 hour time frame. So I said, okay, if price was going to trade above this guy, then I will be at risk. I have to increase my stop loss to this area. I was rational enough. I know what I was doing, but then my risk management was what helped me. If I can get 1:1, is still good. You don't always have to get 1:2 or 1:3. Some of these trades can give you 1:1 and it's good. So I saw that. I said, okay, let me get this opportunity to enter the trade. And that was when I shared this particular entry with them in the community. I said, okay, guys, this was the entry I was taking. And guys, trust me, it started moving, do all this kind of movement. I was right there in the market. I saw all these things. But when there was a news release on GBP, it affected the entire movement because it started moving, but then it started giving us difficulty. I decided to close, I think, halfway or somewhere around there. But then some of them that were in the trade decided to leave it till it touched profit. So that was the reason why this trade worked this morning. It was a perfect trade that we took, and up to now you can actually see that price have just been behaving haywire, but then it's still active going on. Price is responding to the news release now. Right now you see price doing this. So it was a perfect trade, guys, that we took, and we can see how it has delivered in that direction. Simple analysis giving you, and then how you can also help yourself to be able to take this kind of trade next time when you see it in the market. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you to do your analysis properly next time. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is the first time you're actually coming around here. We have a lot of valuable videos that will help you to gain more traction in the market. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.